In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the grille clips on this Toyota Tacoma. This is what mounts the grille to your radiator support top and bottom, so let's get started. Now, of course, if your grille clip is completely broken or missing, you will not have anything to remove, so, well, skip to the part where I show you how to install it. However, mine is here. I'm going to show you how to remove it in case maybe your grille is broken and you're looking to replace these. You have to have pretty much anything that'll pry down on these, a pocket screwdriver, a pick, whatever you want. Push it down. It's got a little tab. That should allow you to pull the grille through. Do these to all of the ones that you're looking to replace, but if you're replacing one at the top, to be honest, it's easier to just undo all four at the top so you can pull the grille away a little bit more. Once you're able to do this, to remove it, all you have to do is pinch it top and bottom. It comes out. And there it is. Now you take your grille clip and you're going to want to line it up with the grille this time, not with the radiator support. It's going to have to slide through the grille just like that. Make sure it clicks and is lined up. And now you would do the same to any other ones that you want to replace. Now push the grille right back in. There you have it. That's replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.